Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV and welcome to our More Than Packages platform. Joining me today at WMX Americas in Miami is Mary from USPS. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank
Lovely,
you.
Mary. How are you?
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you for having us.
Thanks for being here. Now, can you tell me a bit about your role and the company?
Yes, I am the Executive Director of International Postal Affairs. I work with over 192 countries and foreign posts worldwide to develop policy and procedure of how we deal with postal and postal rules and regulations worldwide.
And what does coming to an event like this mean to the company?
Oh, it means everything. There is no USPS without the rest of the world. There is so much that we can do together versus doing apart. So we need every foreign post and every government to work with USPS in the United States to make the world go round. E-commerce is exploding. I mean, just exploding. We have got to work together to really make sure that our consumers, the customer, has the first and primary mission of all of us, making sure that our customers get their packages on time. They can track their packages, whether they're going from Washington, D.C. to London or from London to Madrid, Spain, that they know at all times where their packages are. So coming here breaks down barriers. We get to the right person. We talk to the right person. We're able to work together to make sure that information flows freely for all of our customers worldwide.
And you said about it's exploding at the moment. We've
Yes.
seen this huge growth.
Oh, yes.
Tell us about that. Why is it so? What's happening?
Well, COVID's happening. Who knew that we would have a global pandemic? Never in my lifetime did I ever thought we would have a global pandemic. And you know, while we were locked in our homes and staying safe and making sure that our loved ones are safe, people started ordering online and they liked it. And they started doing more and more. We have seen our volume quadruple over the past year and 2 years. We never seen anything like it. It's like during the holiday season, November and December, usually you have a surge of packages and a surge of volume, but this has been a never-ending surge.
Yeah.
There's nothing I've ever seen. Now, instead of going to the store, people go online. They have adapted clicking and going online using either their mobile phone or using their computer or their tablet. They're so used to now, the barriers are broken down. They're no longer afraid of going online or trusting e-commerce and is it gonna get there? They can order from virtually anywhere in the world and know that it's gonna get there and track it.
And how have technologies changed to keep up with that growth?
Oh, yes. Right now, the borders are just down. In my humble opinion, technology has really kept up with the growth because now a customer in London can follow their package and their shipment worldwide. They know when it's going to be delivered. They know when it's going to be anticipated for delivery, and they can be there or they can send it to another location to pick it up, possibly a parcel locker. So we've had technology with the tracking, the tracing, the parcel lockers, the alternate delivery points, and also the rerouting. Let's say that I have to make a quick trip to Mexico City and I'm not going to be in town. I can either use technology to ask my carrier to hold the package for me or to reroute it somewhere else. Technology has really kept up. And we've got so many great technology partners here today and during this week, during this conference, that are doing such amazing things with technology. It's hard for us to keep up with all the things that are moving. Technology used to move like every year or 2 years. It used to go and you try and introduce something new in a year or 2 years. Now it's every couple of months or every couple of weeks. You have to stay on top of everything.
Keeping up. Companies are having to keep up.
Yes.
And what about returns? Because obviously with the growth of e-commerce, the returns obviously are growing. What's happening there?
Yeah, so with, years ago, and I'm dating myself here, but, I'm only 21.
Oh,
but
obviously.
years ago, Zappos said, order as many shoes as you want and return the ones you don't want. They started it, and we loved it, right?
Yeah.
We loved the returns. So now everyone's saying, order, multiple blazers, multiple dresses, multiple pairs of pants, and if you don't like it, return it.
Yeah.
So we are also looking and formulating and refining our return strategy. And in the United States with USPS, we have over a couple of 100,000 return locations. So if you don't like it, you can either put it in your mail receptacle or you can take to one of our retail units and return that item. But we welcome returns. But the thing is, we track returns just like we do an outbound package. So as soon as we receive that item from the consumer, the actual manufacturer or the store or the person that originated the goods, the business, they know it's already coming back. They know when it's going to come back, what truck it's going to be on, or what plane it's going to be on.
It's as important getting it back as it is getting it there.
Yes, because if I'm a consumer, and let's say I return 3 or 4 items, I want to make sure that it's getting back and that my charges are refunded to me as quickly as possible. So we've refined getting the information and sending that information electronically to the business owner, the person that originally owned the goods before they send it to the consumer, so they know it's on the way so they can go ahead and refund the customer.
Right. And what do you think about CCL TV being here at the conference?
Oh, I love it. I love it. I love the interaction. I love the immediacy. I love the just getting out there and you're talking to different people and getting different perspectives. I love it.
Well,
absolutely love it.
We love you, and it's been so nice to have you here.
Oh,
You're a
thank
pro.
you.
It's almost like you've been trained to do it. So please join us again on CCL TV. Thank you so much for watching. CCL TV brought to you by Aurora.